stay here in as the first of Jyväskylä, this is modernized Finland. I would like to show you this is a 1970 here. This means that this is indeed from very 1976 features. And we have just from the staircase A, where the staircase B now. There's the door bunker to the bunker, but they also have storages there. And they are occupied light and windows. So indeed, it turned 50 years old this year in 2021 and zero modernization 2.54, so they expected it next year, 2022. This was also in Finnish and in Swedish. The best is 3 per 4 grams, same as the case A. They put it in Swedish and Finnish, that's interesting. Very rare for Jyväskylä.
Tippaakin vai nyt eteenpäin. Jos sissityö.
At least this is the only building so far I've seen that is relying on local maintenance in Jyväskylä.
Yeah. I have seen it with Kone maintenance, but it was before KS Hissityöt.
Maybe.
Yeah.
This was cheaper.
Yeah.
Alright, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please also watch the staircase A here.
That's